Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today I am taking maths. Yes, last class I completed the exercise 1, exercise 2. And in second class I taught you abacus. Yes, no children? Abacus and exercise 3. Abacus, comparing the using symbols, ascending and descending order. I told expanded form and standard form. If we have given numbers, write in expanded form means lakhs 00 that you should write and go. If we have given in expanded form, by saying that in standard form you should write the numbers, easy way. So today comparing numbers. When the number of digits are different, the number with less number of digits is always less than the number with more digits. A 3-digit number, 4-digit number. So 4-digit number will be greater. If 4-digit number and 5-digit number, 5-digit number will be greater. Like that, for example 1. See here, 387. 4,287. So which is greater? This is greater. This is 3-digit number, 4-digit number. So which number is more? That is greater number. When the number of digits are same, in two numbers, we start comparing from the highest place, extreme left. So when you do addition, subtraction, we start from right side. Yes, no children, we start from the right side. When we compare this, we'll start from the extreme left. See, this is 300, this is 4,000. So we start from the left side only, from the highest number. When we do addition from the lowest number. When we count this also, see, from here only ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So when we compare using symbols, we come extreme left. See, here 4,000. If it is here 54,287, we'll go for extreme left. Okay. If the digits are the same at a place, we move to the next digit from the left and compare. If first here 54, 53. If 5 same is there, we go for next number. We'll go for next number. So which is highest? This is highest number. This is the smallest number. Okay. So like that, for example, some I'll teach you. Example sum 3, 8, 4, 6, 7, 8, 5. 5, 2, 8, 7, 0, 6, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-digit number. Both are 7-digit number. You don't know which is greater, which is lesser. So we'll start from the beginning. See here, 3, 5. So 3 is greater or 5 is greater? So 5 is only greater. For example, now 3, 8, 4, 6, 7, 8, 5. 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. See, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So, comma, here come 38 lakh, 46,785 like that. That also. Now here 3, same. So, which is greater, which is lesser? You don't know. Next 8. You go for next number. 8. Both are same. So, 4, 5. In this 4 and 5, which is greater? I took third number. See, 3, 3, 8, 8. So I took this number. So 4 and 5, which is greater? 5 is greater this big number. So greater sign. So we'll put this sign. So one number you should see and go, children. Like that only. See, one more I'll teach. In this two, which is greater sign? 8, 8. Here 1, Here 0. So which is greater? 1 is greater. 0 is least number. So this side. So by saying next number, you should write which is greater, which is lesser. So exercise 5. Exercise 5. Now first one. 4,73,202. 4,73,202. 4,73,202. What you should do? Which greater, lesser you put? Greater, lesser? No. Both are same. Equal. Both are equal. So second one. 6,21,000. Now, which is greater, which is lesser? So, see here, 6, same. 21, same. So, you should go for next. You may think one number, two number only, ma'am told. No. If all numbers same, we should go up to last also, no problem. See, 6, same, 21, same. So, this is 1. This is 7. So, which is greater in this? 7 is greater, 1 is lesser. So, symbol greater is this. So, by saying that, you should write. So, third one, 9,43,000, great. 85,62,000 is great, this side. This is also greater, 91,000. First number same, so I went for second and third number. So, this is great, okay. Next, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. See here. Expanded form. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So, lakh place what number? 7 lakh. 0. How much number is there? That much 0 you should put. Then only this is lakh. See, thousands place 20, 100, tens and ones. Plus, this is 10,000. So, in 10,000 place, which number is there? 6. So, 60,000. 63 will pronounce, no? So, 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 7. Now I'll show you. See here. 7 lakh. So what number is there? That was 0. 63,000. 63. 60,000. 3,100. 97. 90 plus 7. So plus. You should. This is expanded form. Standard form means what? Standard means by saying this 7, 60,000, 3,000. So 63,197. This is expanded form. This is standard form. Understood, no? So other all, you should only write, children. So if 0 is there, plus 0. Next, what number is there? That. See, 8 lakh. 8 lakh plus 0. Third one plus second one plus 1 is in thousands place, so 1,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. So expand and you should write this. Okay, children. Now third main. So other all you should only write. Expanded I taught you, no? See here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That much zeros you should write because lakh after 10,000, 1,000, 100, 9, 7. That zeros you should write. 63, 63. 60 means 60,000. This is thousands place. So this is 10,000 means 60,000. Thousands place 3. 3,197. So I taught you that. Now write the numbers in short form. Only one I'll teach, okay, children? You may think, oh, how many zeros, how to count? Ones, tens, 100, 800, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is also lakh. This is 10 lakh. See, I'll write and show. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is lakh, 10 lakh. So lakh and 10 lakh and lakh, we should join. So 10 lakh plus 40, lakh plus 2, 42 lakh, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 1,000. 10,000 plus 60 is there, 62,000. 62,871. So, in the textbook, they are given in expanded form. You are written in standard short form. This, they are given in standard short form. You should write in expanded form. So, by saying this, write all the answers correctly. Now, write the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order and descending. One sum I'll teach children. One number full finish means keep dot and put comma. Yes, see here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So, no 10 lakh. So, ascending means what? Small to big. Ascending means small to big. So, here 4 is there. Here 4 is there. Here 4. Here 4. So, how to write small to big? You don't know. What you should do? You should go for next number. Next number here 28, 28, 28, 28. What to do? We'll go for next number. Next is 1, 2, here 1, 7. See, I'll put circle here 1, 2, 1, 7. In this, which is small number? 1 and 1. So this is, 1 and 1 same number means we'll go for next number. So 7 and 2. So 2 is a small number. Answer 4,28,123. Leave place, comma. I have written this. Next is this. 1 after 7. 4,28,173. Take this. Now you should see in this 2 number. So 2 is the small. 4,28,217. Finish this. Last only one number. 4,28,713. Understood, no children? If 4, 4 same, 28, 28 same means, see 123 small number. Next, it will be increasing 123, 173, 217, 713. So, from small to big. Descending, this is ascending order. Descending order means, if I give one question, I will say write ascending and descending order. If I give both for same number means, first you should write ascending order. Descending order means, first you should write this big number here. Next, this number. Next, this number here. Small will be last. So ascending order means from small to big. Descending order means big to small. So this is lakhs. So you should see and write properly. Here and all no place to write. So I'll give it in the classwork. Now next, forming numbers without repetition digits. Greatest number. To form the greatest number, write the digits in descending order. I told no, greatest number. Descending order means big to small. Descending order means big to small. B means big, small. SMAL, small. Descending order means big to small. Ascending order means small to big. So when you want to write greatest number means, I told no, I'll give some digits number. See, for example, 9, 6, 0, 3, 7. This you should convert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. You should write greatest number, smallest number. Greatest number means descending order, big to small. Big means first number 9, 7, 6, 3, 0. Greatest number. This is greatest number. Smallest number means you write 0. No. First you should write 3, 0, 6, 7, 9. This is the smallest number. If I give this digit numbers, arrange this in greatest number and smallest number means you should arrange like this. So that only forming numbers. The greatest number can be formed using the digits. Smallest number means for write the digits in increasing. See, increasing. All from small to big. This is decreasing, big to small. Write the digits in increasing order. You cannot start the number with 0. Next least is 2. Write 2 first and then 0. Write the numbers in increasing order. See, for example, one more. 2, 0, 8, 4, 3. Which is the greatest number in this? 8. Next is 4, 3, 2, 0. Smallest means I told increase the number means you should not write with 0. This is also, see, this is descending order, this is ascending order. 0 you should not write. So I'll first write 2, after 0, 3, 4, 8. You should decrease and go. This you should increase and go. Understood? Small digit you should increase from small to big, increase and go. Greatest number means descending order. From decreasing, you should decrease and go from big number to small number. So forming numbers with repetition of digits. Repetition, if I say, for example, the smallest 5-digit number using by repeating the same digits. To form the smallest 5-digit number, write the digits in increasing order. You cannot start with 0. The next least number is 2. Write 2 first and then 0 times will be followed by 3 and 5 to write the number in increasing order. Increasing order. See here, smallest number. Smallest number means which is smallest in this? 0. So you should not write 0. Here I have given 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. But I want 5 digit. 5 digit means what you will do? You should take one more smallest number only because here small number, smallest number. So 2, 0. So in this smallest least number is 0. After 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number. 20,000. See, greatest number in this is 5. So one more greatest number is 5. 3, 0, 0, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 0, 0, not 1, 0 is enough because I put 5. 2. Because greater here, smallest number you should put 2 times because I asked 5 digit here. So 2 first I took. 2 one more means it will become 22,000. So least is 0. So I put 2 times. Here greatest number. So greatest number is 5. So I took 5 2 times. 3, 0, 2. So you should arrange like this, okay children? So exercise 6. Write the greatest and the smallest number using all the digits. All the digits means see. 3, 2, 4, 1, 6. Greatest, smallest. In this, which is the greatest? 6 is the greatest. 6 afterwards, 4. 4 afterwards, 3, 2, 1. Smallest means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is the smallest. In this only you should arrange. Take this number. They told. I did not say how many digits. So you should, what number we have given, you should arrange. Greatest number means big to small. Smallest means small to big. You should arrange like this. Next, write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number using the given digits. I'll show one small example. Second one, 931. 5-digit number. 5-digit number. So, here 5-digit number, 5-digit number. Only I have given 3 digits. So, greatest, smallest. What will you do? I have given only 3 digits, but I want the answer 5 digits. So, greater means big number. What you should do? Greater means I want 5 digits. Here only 2 it is there. So, here greater number is 9. So, 1, 2, 3. Here 4, 5. 4, 5. So this is the greatest number because your last 2 number will be small. Here I want 5 numbers. Question is 3-digit number. I want 5-digit number. So from this only greater I took 3 times. Last 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit, 5 digit. Smallest means which is the smallest in this? 1. So I'll take 1 3 times. Afterwards see 1 3 times I took means 3, 9, 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smallest is 1. So I took 3 times because after 2 number is there. So I took 2 number last. So if I take 2 number, smallest is 1. So I took 3 times. Smallest digit and greatest digit, 5 digit. So 99,931. Here, smallest 11,139. Understood? So this and all you only complete children. Here I'll end my class. So lesson number 1 has been completed. So I have given some answers. Some I did not give answers. I told you should only practice because I taught 1 sum. 1 ascending I taught 1, descending I taught 1, expanded I taught 1, standard form I taught 1, short form. Comparing using greater symbol and lesser symbol, and if I give 3-digit number you should write 5-digit number. So I taught you all. So practice everything at home. If place is there, write it in the textbook. If no place means write it in your rough notebook. So practice everything. Here we have completed lesson number 1. I'll end my class. Thank you children.